Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm 12 and I play guitar.
My name is Isaac. I am 13 years old and I play drums.
My name is Miguel. I'm 13 and I sing and I play the piano.
My name is Neo. I'm 14 years old and I play the piano at live.
My favorite part about camp is probably like the songs and like playing together as a band. And also that I get to see my friends and that I've made some new friends. And my favorite class, I would say, has got to be like rehearsals with the band. 'Cause the songs are awesome.
My favorite thing about camp has to be the fact that I was able to meet new people and learn about drums and instruments in general. My favorite class has to be production and making my own song because it gives me a sense of creativity.
I like the friendships that I made in the camp, and I really like doing production and making my own song.
I like the friendships and also the staff at live. They're great, and I love production class. It's really fun.